was you on the phone and you on the bus, then who was flickering the lights?
What's up, YouTube? We back at it again with another video, another banger. What's your YouTube channel name?
Tamika.
Just Mika.
Tamika.
Don't mind my hair, I ain't gonna retwist, I'm talking right now.
Don't mind my stuff.
My pocket's a little.
Actually, we're not gonna do it.
But we're gonna do this face mask, man.
You're doing
You
the...
gotta show me how to do it, though.
Bro.
I wanna watch you do it first. So I can copy.
Okay, we're doing this one. This is the Aztec Secret Health Indian Healing Clay Mist.
You got some pineapples, too.
Yeah, pineapple is great.
Favorite fruit?
I thought you saw me bring it in. Well, okay, so you guys, okay, hang on. We're gonna talk about it while we do this. We're gonna do a actually no, there's no Q&A because...
Story time.
Story time. He got food poisoning.
Oh, no.
Okay. Oh yeah, what? I thought that...
Yours is so good.
It's so cold.
It's cold, you said?
Yeah. And it's chunky. It's okay. It's just gonna...
Smear, yeah.
Yeah. And we don't want it like too thick or it's gonna take forever.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy you.
Oh, it's like a whole chunk. Yeah, we're not putting that in. Our start time.
Alright, so I'm at Whataburger. My job. About to be previous job soon. I'm telling myself.
Hey yo.
Anyway, so they always charging me for food. Long story short, I bought the food anyway.
You actually did, or you're just saying that for the video?
No, I actually bought the food.
Okay.
It was $3. I got an employee discount. Even though I shouldn't have paid a buck. So I should have just went to McDonald's. Anyway, so I buy the food. I was debating on McDonald's or eating from my job. So I ended up getting a chicken sandwich, a spicy chicken sandwich. Whataburger. Do not eat Whataburger. Don't tell them I said that. But don't eat Whataburger. This shit is disgusting, bro. It's not disgusting, but can't say a whole lot. I'm gonna say unsanitary. That's the word. That's the word I'm gonna use right there. Unsafe.
You gotta say why. Give us the truth.
I want the truth, man. They be selling some old products.
You heard it first.
Nah, for real. Yeah. Nah. You ain't hear this. It be patties for like what? Like 4 days old. Expired 4 days ago, and they're still, oh, that's good. It's still good. No, it's not. It'll kill somebody. So me trusting my fucking job, which I should have never did. I should have just got McDonald's. It would have been cheaper anyway. It would have been way cheaper anyway. Alright, so I got a chicken sandwich. But I stole a fry and I stole a drink and I stole some sauce. I got a chicken sandwich and I ate it. Not even 8 hours later, I'm throwing up, bro. Not even 8 hours.
Tell me about something. I feel sick.
Throwing up, top of my stomach. More of the story, do not eat Whataburger.
I don't know why I'm eating
Don't eat Whataburger that's outside of Texas. These is all brand Whataburgers.
Have you ever had one from Texas?
No.
Have you ever been to Texas?
No, I just know it originated there and
Yeah.
it's way better.
Yeah. That's like when people say like In-N-Out is better in like California because that's what it originated from.
Yeah.
That was a little story time.
A little story time about how not to eat Whataburger. I sound like a renegade. Don't know. I work there and I'm dissing them.
Tell them about yourself. Because they're probably like, who the heck?
Alright. Alright. I see the M, hold on. Y'all don't yet, but y'all see the M. Mally word. Mally by the mill. I ain't got the mill yet, it's still pending. But you did. Mally by the mill. Yeah.
That's it.
You look good.
Thank you.
This mask is
Yours is already dry. What the heck? That's just because you keep rubbing it in like that, though.
definitely kicking in.
You feel it? No, like by the time it's all dry, it's gonna like you're gonna barely be able to like talk.
Move my face.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna put it on my forehead because I'm not moving my dress. But I look like.
Shrek. I'm kidding. Okay. Anyways, we have a lot left. We have a lot left. Like, look at.
Yeah, we made way too much, man.
But
That's
it's like
because she kept dumping.
no.
Don't like them people.
listen. Like the texture wasn't it, so like.
We had to keep adding, and then we added too much powder, too much face mask, and then too much water, and then too much face mask, too much water.
We were just doing a little too much.
Yeah, doing a little too much, too excited.
Yeah.
But the fun of that's the outcome right here.
Yours is dried already completely.
Not completely. Oh, it feel cold. Is it supposed to feel like that?
Yeah. Or sometimes, wait, it'll start like tingling.
I
Yeah,
feel
you
that
literally
too.
got it like on your ear. Like,
What? It's alright. Take some of the acne off my ear. And this stuff does not come off your finger.
I think
At
I just
all.
washed it off.
Don't we look good next to each other?
No.
Oh, that's big and clumpy. Oh my goodness. I don't know about how you run for fucking prom.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
So I'm ready for prom.
She trying to downplay it. Like that's not a big deal. It's a big deal. I'm gonna make it a big deal.
What?
I want a freshman homecoming prince, but I ain't bragging or nothing.
Oh yeah, so okay, since you're bragging, I won homecoming sophomore year, and then junior year I won prom princess, and then like of course senior. And yeah, and I didn't want to go run because I just wanted to like humble myself, you feel me? But then a teacher was all like, oh, no, dude.
Don't worry about all that. Go ahead and run.
Yeah, so pretty much.
Which is something I would have said.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So anyways, I was like, okay, I guess I'll go. So that is what
So how many people ran? How much competition do you have?
Five.
5 people?
For now, but we'll see. Like 5 couples. Like I'm running with the mall, and Amal has one every single year. Homecoming, prom, da 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 da.
It's your friend?
Yeah, you can say that. You're adding more?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. He said, let me clear this up.
If I'm gonna do it, I gotta do it perfect.
Oh.
Oh, I think I got it in your hair. Nah, it's dry already.
Okay.
How we looking? Let us know in the comments. How are we looking? Ooh.
Oh yeah, you guys, you need to go check out his what do you call
Music,
it?
man. Check out my music on YouTube. Backstreet by Mally.
Yeah, it's actually good.
It's alright.
No, listen, because he was all like, "Oh yeah, I rap," and all us girls know when a dude says he raps, and it's on SoundCloud. Like the first, like all you think of is, oh okay.
It's gonna be trash.
Yeah.
That's what you thought at first. He's like, let me go listen to his music.
Well, wait, did you even tell me you were like?
Oh yeah, no, you listen to it on YouTube. Alright, so she listened to it on YouTube and she texted me like, oh, this is really good. And then I said, oh, it's on SoundCloud too. It's not on Apple Music yet because I don't have a United Masters account and I can't do all that right now. Actually, I should do that today. Anyways, so she listened to it on YouTube first and then asked me what other platforms it's on. And it was on SoundCloud. So if you want my song, Mally, Backstreet. SoundCloud and YouTube out now.
Because it's actually good. And if it wasn't good, I would not put it all on. No, you don't think it's good? Stop wasting water.
It's alright. Auto fans and fans across the country.
I have some in Germany because of Amazon.
Oh yeah. So go check that out. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I might forget, but for our real fans, let me know.
Yeah. Oh, you weren't.
That was a weird angle. She thinks she can beat me in basketball, y'all. She thinks she can beat me in basketball.
I think I can.
Alright, we're gonna give it a year. We're gonna give it a year. I'm gonna give her a year to practice.
We're gonna come back. It's gonna be the whole video.
Yep, we will come back, watch this video. Remember,
That I say I'm going to win.
It's gonna be some love and basketball stuff.
Well, that's if you're good.
Play me for
That's
a
if
while.
you're good.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna shake you out your shoes. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's in my lip. It's in my mouth.
Bro, your lip.
Am I gonna die? You said I'm gonna die, bruh.
Yeah, you're gonna die. I'm sorry about it. It says, world's gonna find a way. Feel your face pulsate. Pulsate?
R.I.P. me.
That's what we talk about while it's drying.
I can't do it still. Kills.
What do you say?
My boy. Alright, so we gotta wrap this up. Nice talking to y'all, man. Tune into the next video. And don't forget to check out my music on YouTube. Again, Mally, Backstreet, TV. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Tune into her channel, man, because she's the GOAT. Yeah. She's the GOAT, yeah.
The go.
The GOAT. Turned up, turned up.
And that's that. Oh, look at my face. Oh my god, it makes it.